Today crackles with strange possibility. There's no map today, only momentum. You are not meant to plan this step. You are meant to take it. Risk is a compass. Trust the feeling that excites and unnerves you at once. The wild StepPrimary source, angel cards. This is a day of risk, intuition, and unexpected propulsion. The door doesn't open until your foot lifts. The outcome isn't knowable, but the moment is alive with potential. Instinctual action. Risk and reward. Bold intuition. Unmapped movement. Sacred uncertainty.